If you want more investor clients, you have to stop trying to do everything yourself. A lot of real estate agents think growing an investor business means learning every part of property management, leasing, maintenance, compliance, tenant communication, on top of buying and selling real estate. And that's usually where things start to break down. Today I want to show you how the right property management partnership can actually help you scale your investor business, not slow it down. Investor clients don't just want help buying a property, they want a long-term plan. They want to know what happens after closing. When agents try to handle everything themselves, they often end up stretched too thin and the client experience suffers. The most successful agents I work with don't try to be experts in property management. They build relationships with professionals who are. That's what allows them to serve more investors, close more deals, and create repeat business. Let's break down how this works. First, it frees up your time for acquisitions and listings. As an agent, your highest value activities are sourcing deals, negotiating contracts, and growing your pipeline, not taking late night maintenance calls or answering tenant questions. When you have a trusted property management partner, you can confidently refer your investor clients knowing they're taken care of after closing. That frees you up to do what you do best, helping investors buy their next property. Next, it creates full service support for investors. Investor clients want simplicity. They don't want to piece together 5 different vendors. They want a team. When you can say, I have a property management partner I trust, you instantly elevate your value. You're no longer just the person who helped them buy, you're the advisor who helped them build a system for long-term success. That level of service builds confidence, loyalty, and repeat business. Next, it builds a referral ecosystem instead of one-off deals. One-off transactions don't grow businesses, ecosystems do. When an agent and property management company partner together, everyone wins. Investors have better outcomes, agents get repeat buyers and future listings. At Tide, we always send your owners back to you when they're ready to buy or sell. That's how you turn one investor deal into multiple transactions over time. If you're an agent who works with investors or wants to, my goal is to make you look like the most prepared agent in the room when it comes to investment properties. If you ever want a trusted property management resource for your clients or even just want to talk through an investment scenario, I'm always happy to help. Let's build something that benefits your clients and your business. I'm Pierce Fraga with Tide Property Management, and we look forward to hearing from you.